Woolly Gang, episode 1 of the hype train. Good.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming, you fag.
What up, fellas? Today we're talking about P&L trucks.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched.
What's up? I'm here to review the new Wholesome slide gloves. You got these sweet tongue straps.
Oh yeah.
And you got another one on this side too. Another feature that they have, you can't really see it, but they have padding underneath the Velcro, which allows for when you totally blow a slide and you're like, oh, I'm from Cali, I did a stand-up, oh! You're like, ah! Oh wait, I'm fine. Because they got Wholesome gloves.
Oh,
They got that padding, yo.
padding. Padding.
Wizard fingers. Say that.
What?
I'm gonna say what I think they say.
Say it.
Rawaz key.
Who knows?
You can just slap Wholesome pucks on willy-nilly.
Willy-nilly. Willy-nilly. Willy-nilly.
They've got these holes in them, and you can go like this and totally feel the air coming through. These slide pucks are super good, and they smell super good.
I'm in the Milky Way. You want me down on Earth, but I am up in space. You're so damn hard to please. We gotta kill this switch. You're from the 70s, but I'm a 90s bitch. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it. I love it. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it. I love it.
What up? I'm talking about full guts. So, let's say you fall. This is what full cuts are good for. If you fall and hit the side of your head, and then you start sliding like this, your ears are fully protected. What about the swag factor? You can't beat it. It's off the charts. It's got one of those wide ass heads. This'll fix that.
Are your ears okay, dude?
My ears are great.
Respect your elders.